with regards to the ongoing situation in Nehu,
Yeah.
hunger strike, organized by the Nehu and KSU Nehu unit.
No, actually, everything I always requesting my student kindly come, call off the strike, come on the table and discuss the matter the first.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
And whatever things already जो है नेहरू जो है asking from the day of the starting, the Nehu already taken the decision.
Okay.
regarding the inquiry and also the appointment of the provisee.
Okay. Most of them, both teachers and students, are not happy with your appointment of the provisee. So, what is your stand on that?
No, तो Nehu already appointed vice chancellor already appointed the pro vice chancellor.
No, how do you appoint them? Because you are out of campus.
You are well aware. I'm nearby the campus.
Okay.
Okay.
But since you are not in the campus, sir, it should consider it's unofficial, no? Any appointment?
Not official. Only due to security. The number of times I already asked, due to security, I am outside the campus. Rest of the things is already I am doing.
Okay.
In the interest of the university and student.
What is your your response to the the demand of your resignation?
My resignation is department the government, President of India. This is a constitutional appointment. As per the direction of the government, I will take the decision.
No, but their demand is like to step down.
No, actually, this is a constitutional post, no?
Okay.
Okay, constitutional post, and under the constitutional head of the country. Whatever she is going to take the decision or direction, accordingly I will take.
Morally, don't you think because of you alone, especially they targeted you, because of you alone, they have now for the last 9 days, don't you think for the student or you'll think for yourself?
Yeah, I am always with my student since the beginning of the agitation. Actually, I am always requested my student kindly come on the table and discuss the matter.
Now decided to go indefinite strike, until and unless you step down.
I already spoken as per direction of our constitutional head of the country.
Now they have constituted from the Ministry of Education department. They've already constituted the inquiry committee. One is from the UGC and another one is from Assam University.
Yeah.
So will you take leave until the inquiry is complete, or will you continue as a VC?
No. If anything is specific, accordingly, because I have not received any letter from the government and other things. Government is definitely highest body, and government can constitute the committee and inquire the any matter.
They have already constituted a committee.
Already constituted the committee, so I will help, and I am ready to face the committee.
In what way will you help them?
It's depend on the member of the inquiry committee, no? So that if they want my help, definitely I will help. If they don't want my help, definitely it's the prerogative of the committee, what they want.
Don't you think, sir, that if the committee come into picture for inquiry, don't you think it's fair enough for you, to take leave for some time and let the independent committee to inquire the whole situation?
Definitely, I can. I already assured this is the government committee. For the direction of the government, definitely I will take.
What is your status now? Are you on leave or you just out of the campus?
No. Actually, at this time, I have not received any with a letter from the side. Definitely, I am bound to follow the जो है even rules, regulations and system of the government. I am not above the जो है even system of the government.
No, since you are not in the campus, so what is your status now?
Definitely, I'm not in the campus. You already know due to reason, nothing else.
Yeah, I understood. Yeah. But what will be your status now? Like you are on leave or because, I mean, like how you function?
Yeah, definitely. Administration is here. Administration is ready to provide the security. Definitely, I will come in the campus. If administration is not ready to provide so definitely accordingly I will take my decision.
What protection that you need?
No. Definitely protection means the security. You already might be aware about the vandalism of my house.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what do you have to say, like, when...
Citizen needs your security now. The government is ready to, definitely I'm ready to come in the campus.
No, what do you have to say that, like, almost all the students, like, they have already, like, clarified, none of them are involved in the, coming to your place, to your quarter, to vandalize, all those things.
Yeah.
None of them are involved.
Yeah.
So who do you think, like, those people are, who came that night?
I don't know who already did. It is the matter of inquiry only.
Okay.
That is under the administration. So I am not able to say any sentence about that. So who already did?
It happened already.
After the inquiry, everything will be clear.
It happened around 1:30 or 2 o'clock morning, right?
I'm not fully aware about the timing.
The timing. What time did you left from the campus?
I think before that.
Before, meaning 12, 1 o'clock? Or...
Actually, I don't have even any type of watch in my hand. The thing.
Is there any security was provided when you left the campus from the district administration?
No, yeah, of course, even both. Not only the district administration, local people also help me.
Okay. So what do you want to pass the message across?
My humble request to all the event faculty, student and teaching member, kindly withdraw the article of the agitation, come on the table to discuss the problem, and definitely the discussion is only way to find out the solution of any problem.
Today, one student, the president of the Nehu already, taken to the hospital because of this, bad, situation of his health. So, but they have still, like most of them, they have still like stick to the point that until and unless the VC is not stepped down or removed, they will not stop their agitation. So what do you have to say on that?
At this level, I am not in position to say any sentence. This is mercy of the student, though. I cannot compel the student anything.
So are you okay to compromise your stand with the life of the student?
No. I'm always with the student. I'm praying for the student and requesting my student, please call up the agitation.